I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update iPhone and watchOS, pair the devices, and keep them on the same Apple ID. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone and tap Siri and search to enable Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. Make sure the Apple Watch mirrors iPhone if you prefer automatic settings. These steps prepare both devices to process voice input and route Siri requests correctly so the assistant responds reliably when you speak or press the button. You now configure how you invoke Siri. On Apple Watch, open Settings Siri to enable raise to speak or confirm side button action. On iPhone, refine Hey Siri voice training and language so recognition matches your accent. Once set, check Siri permissions under Privacy for calendars, messages, and location so responses are useful. Make sure microphone access is allowed. This ensures Siri can both hear you and access the data needed to answer questions or control apps without unnecessary prompts or permission blocks. You finish by testing Siri with simple commands. Call a contact, set a timer, or ask for the weather to verify functionality. If responses are missing, check microphone by recording a voice memo, then restart both devices. Once done, unpair and repair the watch if problems persist, because that refreshes communication. If issues continue, reset Siri settings or sign out and back into iCloud. One key troubleshooting tip: verify network connectivity. Siri often fails when Wi-Fi or cellular data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.